Greetings and welcome back to another video by Chimera Wargaming. Today I'm just going to show you how to paint in winter theme some miniatures. I just received a Arctic basin set by Green Stuff World and it's perfect to create a winter theme base. Liam in latest video I show you what's inside, and me I just show you how to use some product inside to create a perfect winter theme base. Okay, let's start the video. Okay, this is the Lord of Pain. The first step to create a winter theme base is just to create a darker base. I prepare the base, just paint the skulls, the hand and some boots. And after it's dry, I just start the second part. So the instructions inside in the box are very easy. First of all, you just apply this product, blue razor tip, is the base. Second step, tuft glue. With the tuft glue, improve the crackle effect. Another step, crackle paint. With the transparent crackle paint you can simulate the frozen water. Okay, after it's dry, I just use this fantastic product by Green Stuff World. It's a snow effect. I just use some PVA glue. Okay, I just apply in a random part. Okay, for me the result is okay, but you can continue with another effect, for example liquid frost, add some tuft. But for me it's okay. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe on Chimera Wargaming, and see you soon. Bye.